Well, now to the fight against the pandemic and another day of rising COVID numbers here in LA County.
Yeah, more than 4,200 new cases were reported today and 21 more deaths. The number of people in the hospital is up to 1,650. That shows the urgency to get more vaccinations in arms.
And CBS 2's Kandiss Crone tells us LA County started giving third COVID vaccine doses today. Now the CDC has approved booster shots.
Hair clippers buzzed inside Luke's barbershop in Pasadena as barbers offered free cuts to people as an incentive to get vaccinated against COVID-19. The owner held the event in hopes of doing his part to help stop the spread of the virus.
Happy to do it because we're servants. Serving is the greatest thing you can be.
The vaccine event comes as both the FDA and CDC recommend people with severely compromised immune systems get a third dose of the Pfizer or Moderna vaccine to help prevent serious illness or even death. On Saturday, LA County health officials began offering booster shots to qualifying people like organ transplant recipients, cancer patients, and others with weakened immune systems. Pasadena's health department director says they plan to start giving out boosters in the coming days and urge those who think they qualify to speak with their doctor.
People who are immunocompromised were likely not able to mount enough of a response to be immune from their first 2 doses.
The booster shots received final approval from federal health officials this week as cases of the Delta variant continue to rise nationwide.
I think it's the responsible thing to do.
This woman, who only wants to go by Karen, said although she's not eligible to get a booster just yet, she'll be among the first in line when it's her turn to get one.
I'm definitely interested in it. I would want to do anything that would help me boost my immunity. I want to protect not only myself, but I want to protect my family members, my grandchildren, people in the community.
People eligible for a booster shot can simply self-attest that they have a qualifying medical condition prior to getting the third dose. In Studio City, Kandiss Crone, CBS 2 News.